Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change language on your Macbook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. By default, your Mac is set to display the language of the country or region you purchased on your Mac from. But you can choose a different language to use. For example, if you purchase your Mac in the United States but you use in French, you can set it your Mac to use French. So, how to do it if you want to change the language on your Mac? So simple. So first of all, I will show you first that my MacBook is using English. If you want to change it to another language, you can just go to your system preferences or settings. You can just click on your system preferences here, and you'll find there is an option language and region. You can just click on language and region here. So here, as you can see, my region is in Indonesia and my preferred language is English. If you want to change or add another language, you can just click on the plus icon on here. And here you can just choose on the languages that you want to add. For example, I will add Dutch. You can tap on add. You can also set this language as your primary language. But after you change the language, you have to restart your MacBook. So the language will be changed on your MacBook. You can change your language anytime you want. You can also, if you want to change to English again, you can just click and move the language into the primary on the top to use this language as the primary language. And you have to remember that after you choose another language, you have to restart your MacBook. So that is how to change language on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.